Good afternoon, TMS.
The school store will be closed for the next several days for maintenance and restocking. Please check out the Cozy Blanket Raffle. One winner will be selected to receive a blanket, hot chocolate, popcorn, and slime.
This week's raffle winner is Eva! Congratulations! Your prize will be delivered to your tornado time.
Get your yearbook orders. If you need an order form, please pick one up in the office.
Power the Pen will be selling Sour Mania Suckers at lunch next week. $1 each. Treat yourself or a friend. Buy a sucker and support Power the Pen.
The TMS Track meeting will take place on Monday, February 24th at 3 p.m. in the TMS Cafeteria. Lunch will serve meat stromboli, corn, cucumber, diced peaches, and applesauce.
These have been your TMS afternoon announcements.
Tornado Pride. We don't stop.